So here's how to use Jira Software for beginners. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so that you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So first, what you need to do is open Google and type Jira Software. Now click on this website which says www.atlassian.com. Click on Get It Free. Now here you can select any one of these if you want, then click on Next. Now over here, just simply continue with Google or sign up with your email address. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. After creating your account, enter your project name here, then click on Agree. Now here you can choose any one of these templates, whichever you want to choose. I'm selecting Kanban. Now click on Next. Enter your team name or project name here. Then click on Create Project. Now here you can select the tools if you want to, but I'm just going to skip this step. So here is your dashboard, your project name. Now if you want to create a new project, just simply click on Projects and then click on Create Project. Here you can select the template of your choice. You can create an issue over here, which is called Work, or you can say Tasks in Jira. I've added 3 here. Now if you'll click on any of these, this type of box is going to appear. You can add more details related to the issue here. You can also move the issues to the Progress or the Done section depending on in which phase it is. Now, if you want to, let's say, integrate any software to your project, click on Apps over here. You can check these apps or you can explore more apps and integrate any easily to your project. Now, if you'll click on Timeline, you can add Epic too if you want to. Epics are basically like tasks that your client wants. You can change the project settings too by clicking on Project Settings here.